Today, we will be making tomatoes. Grab your pencil and follow along. Start by drawing a stem on the right side of the page, like so. Add long leaves on all sides. Draw a round shape. Draw a curvy line inside of it on the right side. Using curvy lines, draw two C-like shapes on the inside, on the right and left. Draw little seeds inside of those shapes. On the left side of the paper, draw another stem. Draw long leaves around it. Make a round shape. Finally, add color to your drawing. Use green, orange, pink, and red. For more Drawing Factory tutorials, like and subscribe.